In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit a screenshot. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, click the link in the top right corner. Also, I'll be showing you all the tools you can use to edit your screenshot. Next week, I'll be showing you a couple other things you can do to your screenshot. Make sure you are subscribed and have got notifications on all so you're notified when I make a new upload. Also, it's completely free to subscribe. I'll be showing you how to edit a screenshot on iPad, as it's slightly different to iPhone and iPod. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy the video. First, you want to take a screenshot, then tap here. Here is how to crop a screenshot. By tapping here, you can do a downwards crop. Then by tapping here, you can do a left crop. Then by tapping here, you can do a right crop. Then by tapping here, you can do a upwards crop by dragging it up. Then at the bottom, you have got your tools: a pen, highlighter, pencil, rubber, editor, and ruler. The pen is a solid colour look, like this. The highlighter is a transparent colour, like this. And the pencil has a pencil type of look whilst being a bit transparent, like this. Then to edit the pen, highlighter or pencil, select the one that you want to use. I'm going to use the pen. Then tap it again. Then you can choose the thickness by selecting the one that you want to use. I'm going to have it at its thickest. Then at the bottom you have got the transparency. You can change it by pressing this here. Then you can move it where you want it, and also this is especially good if you're using a pencil for shading. Then this is what it will look like if I have the transparency like this. It's much more transparent, almost like the highlighter. And also at the bottom of the pen, it shows you the percentage of the transparency to what it would normally be like. And at the top you have got a undo button, then you also have got a redo button. Or you can use the rubber by selecting it, then tap it again. Then you have got the option to have a pixel eraser, which is where it does it by pixel like a normal rubber does. Then tap the rubber again and select object eraser. A object eraser is a bit like a undo button, except you decide what you want to rub out. Here is an example. I'm going to do a couple of scribbles, then select the object eraser, then slide your finger over the object that you are going to get rid of, then it will be gone. Then you want to select the editor, then use it to draw a line around the thing that you want to select, like this with your finger. It doesn't have to be too perfect, as it will automatically mold around the object that you are doing. Now tap anywhere on your object to get this, to be able to cut it, copy, delete, or duplicate. Also, you can move it by holding your finger on your object and then moving it where you want. Then the line will reappear. Then you have got the ruler. You need 2 fingers to be able to move it to the degree you want. You have got 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 0 degrees that your Apple product will automatically lock onto. Then you want to select the pen, highlighter or pencil, and you want to make sure you get it in the perfect positioning to get a straight line like this. And then you have got your straight line. If you're wondering what the animation there is, it is the length of it in millimeters. Lastly, I'll be showing you how to change the color of your tools. First, you want to choose a pen, highlighter or pencil. I'm going to have then you want to tap here. Then you have got slider, spectrum and grid, and what I recommend you do is have a little play and find the one that works for you best. Then when you're finishing here, tap the X.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.